Okay. This was right here. Took the ground wire off. Took my high limit safety off. This screw and this screw come off. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pull these off. And then over here, I don't have my stand with me, so I have to hold my camera. So the reason why you want to pull this off is you would think that you would just take these bolts off. The problem is there's a set screw holding this fan on. And for you to get to the set screw, you have to get to the other side of the fan. And in order to get to the other side of the fan, you got to take it out. Oh man. Booyah. I got a tool at home that helps me get that out. I just hope it comes out. Look how rusty that is. Oh. Got some WD-40. I can't believe I forgot that tool. All right. What I want to do is I want to sand this down real good. That has to slide completely out. All right, I'm gonna have to put y'all down. Oh man, I'm so happy. All right, so I sanded the shaft down. Now watch. See how the shaft moves? Oh, that means it's gonna pop right out. Woo! All right. Flip this over. Oh man. Let's see. That's refrigerant. I don't know if I have it right. Oh yeah. I might have to put this down, but what I want to do is just what I'll end up having to do is roll it over this way like this, and probably have to put my crescent wrench right here and turn the shaft as I pull the motor out. See that? See? It just gets a little stuck. And then if I didn't have, wasn't recording, this would be easy. Since y'all know what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do is stop recording so I can pull this out real fast. All right. See y'all in a minute. I got it up. So I want to make sure the belly band matches where this goes. So I'll take this off now. All right, got the new one on. Now it is time for me to put it back in here. All right. Let's see that. So it needs to be like this. Yeah, the wires go right here. Okay. Yep, just put it back together. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and screw these down. Get this stationary. And then I'll show y'all how to level up that fan wheel. Has to be perfectly even. I'll show y'all. I'll show y'all how to do that. Before I get too carried away, is this right? It is not right. I'll have to rotate it one. See, over here. This needs to be over here. Shoot, glad I checked it. All right, I'll be back. All right, so here we go. It's literally this simple. Oh man, let me get this in. Make sure. All right, get this set screw in here. What I want to do is make sure the set screw's on this flat spot. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay. Loose. Now, see how that big gap is? It has to be even. See how I don't have a big gap over here? So what I gotta do, sounds crazy, but all I'm gonna do is I'm going to have to pause it, but I'll stick my finger here and then my finger over here, and I'll move it back and forth until I got the same gap, and then tighten it up. Done. Now, all I gotta do is put it back in here. Sounds crazy. Slides right in. I'll line up the hose. Always get a nut driver with a magnet on it. It'll save your life. Okay, I took a picture of this. I actually got it memorized. If you look underneath here, it'll show you these are the speeds, 1 through 5. And on the back side is your line voltage. So you'll have neutral, ground, and line voltage. And then you'll have common for your 24 volts. Let me get all this hooked up. And if you're unsure, always get the schematic. So, can y'all see that? Man, it's bright. Come over here. I always get the schematic. So, 127 goes to 5. 120 is common. So, it's 126, 153, and 120. Where's the 7? I just thought I saw it. There it is. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Oh yeah, 127. So 127 goes to 5, which is that one right there. All right. Six goes to 3. And then 153 goes to 1. These two doesn't matter, because it's a switch. It's not a switch, it's a contact. Just open and close. Okay. And this goes to ground. Alright. See what it does. No mercy. I'm just going to jump out my thermostat. Oops. That's my fan. That's my hot. Boy, it's bright out here. Oh, did he kill the breaker inside? Hold on. That thing. Yep. Thank you. Yep. All right, the fan's working. All right, all done. Button it back up, turn power on. Yeah, go inside and tell my parents we're good. All right.